It's been some years from when the Maratha reservation in Maharashtra is a burning issue. With that, now again for the some time, this is where Manoj Jarange Patil enters the situation. Manoj Jarange Patil is the person who started the Maratha Reservation Morcha few years ago, and now this entire thing has been a burning issue for the Maharashtra government. We are at the Azad Maidan where again Manoj Jarange Patil, the Maratha leader, is on hunger strike in Mumbai from today. You can see the people who have gathered around the Azad Maidan over here. There are thousands and thousands of people who has been in Azad Maidan for the protest. They want Maratha reservation, and this whole issue has been the burning issue for Maharashtra government since many years. This whole Maratha supporters have been in Azad Maidan from yesterday night only. Manoj Jarange Patil have reached in the morning by 10 a.m. over here with his entire supporters who started 2 days ago from Antarvalli where he stays. You can see the supporters who has came from the different parts of Maharashtra. These are thousands and thousands of people who has reached Azad Maidan. Meanwhile, outside the Azad Maidan, there are so many issues which has been came into light. The whole road with Azad Maidan and the CST station is jam-packed. When Manoj Jarange Patil reached the Azad Maidan, he has clearly said that if government will not listen to Maratha people, if the Maratha reservation will not be given, then this all Maratha supporters and Manoj Jarange Patil will not leave Mumbai. With that, Mumbai police has done all the precautionary measures for the security arrangement because nothing bad should happen. You can see there are hundreds of policemen over here. More than 1,500 policemen has been outside the Azad Maidan and nearby area of Azad Maidan. With that, the protest and the morcha is continuously on. You can see Manoj Jarange Patil on the stage. He is on hunger strike, and this is not the first time he is doing hunger strike. In a way, a few months ago also, he has done this type of hunger strike. So now, what will happen? Because the permission by Mumbai police is for only one day, from morning 9 to 6 o'clock in the evening. And now it will be very interesting to see that Manoj Jarange Patil and his supporters will leave Azad Maidan after the permission gets over or not. With cameraman Mahesh Alwai, Parazdama for NDTV 24/7.